welcome to my channel. I haven't done a video in quite a while and I'm really excited to start it up again. I took some time to work on the business, so I'm back and I'm starting to make beauty videos again. So today I'm going to show you my mask line, face mask line that I've created. I took about 6 months to sort of do some research on the ingredients that I've used for each mask. And for today, I'm going to focus on the youthful mask. The youthful mask is really great for all skin types. It's just to give that extra glow to your skin. What? So let's begin. Today, I'm gonna have someone help me, and her name is Little Chell. That's right, I'm Little Chell. I'm here to help and assist, and I'm gonna show you how this product works. Okay, well, you better be good, Little Chell, because we don't want the same thing to happen like last time. Oh, don't worry, everything will be okay. I won't mess up, I promise. I'll be good, don't worry. Don't worry, I'll be fine. We got this. I trust it. You'll be fine. It'll be good. First step is to make sure you put your hair back, and we're gonna remove the makeup with the Keto Cleanse. This helps remove all the impurities and makeup off my skin, which I have actually done a video in the past. You can take a look on my playlist. So you just need to put a few little drops on the skin, and then you massage it in and remove with a cotton cloth. Once you're done with the Keto Cleanse, I like to use the super sensitive face foam. It's gentle on my skin, and I want to make sure that all the oil and dirt is removed completely from my skin. This wonderful concoction is my personal coffee scrub. The ingredients in the scrub is honey, lavender, avocado oil, and of course coffee. Really does a great exfoliation for your skin. Before putting on a mask, it's really important to make sure that your skin is exfoliated, just so that the mask can do its thing. Now it's time to mix your mask. Take a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of the mask powder. I like to use a tongue depressor to mix up the powder before putting the water in it. Now take a 1/4 teaspoon of water and add it into the powder. Make sure you mix it slowly, and if you want, you can add a little bit more water. You want to make sure that the mask is thick. You don't want it too liquidy. Just so that you can apply it, because when it's too liquidy, then it gets all over the place. Each Powder This organic masks come with a facial brush for your skin. Let me explain the ingredients and the benefits of the mask. The first ingredient is the clay base for this mask, which is kaolin. It's a natural exfoliator, removes impurities and dirt from the skin without drying it and causing redness and irritation. It also helps reduce oily skin. The second ingredient is rosehip powder. This is where youthful comes into the mask. It hydrates and moisturizes and can help boost collagen. Also reduces inflammation and hyperpigmentation. The last ingredient is matcha powder. This is what makes the beautiful color green in the mask. Matcha powder is a powerful detoxifier. Say that a bunch of times, right? It can remove harmful toxins and fights free radicals that damage skin cells needed to protect our skin. Add a timer for 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry. This is the best time to relax and just do you. Maybe just take a little nappy poos, do your nails, catch up on some gossip on your phone, you know. You're ready to go. Now it's time to take off your mask. Make sure that you take your mask off with a cotton cloth just because you don't want to use your nice fancy towels just in case it does stain them. Yay! Mask is off! Now it's time to moisturize with Graydon's All Over Elixir Face and Body Oil and Berry Rich Cream. I personally love to mix these two products together just so I can get as much hydration as possible. The Berry Rich Cream is good on its own, but I like to give that like extra oomph with the oil. Skin is glowing. It feels so good and fresh and relaxed. I want to thank Little Chell for helping me out today. Oh, you're welcome, OG Chell. You know, this has me thinking about some things. Like, why do we look like each other? And why am I Little Chell and you're OG Chell? I'm super confused right now. Why? Okay, stop thinking. Okay, I should just stop rambling. Bye! Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want more information about the Powder This organic masks, the youthful mask is what I used on my skin today, you can check out my website. It is blondiesvictoria.com. If you want to follow me on Facebook or Instagram, it's Blondies Victoria. I hope everyone has a good day and enjoyed the video. Bye!